In this quick guide, we'll show you how to show all icons in the system tray on Windows 11. Click the small arrow on the right side of your taskbar, revealing the hidden icons. Click and hold any icon you want to show permanently. Drag the icon to the main system tray area, where it will remain visible. Repeat for any other hidden icons you want to access quickly. Press Windows+I to open the Settings app, or on search bar type Settings, navigate to Personalization, Taskbar. Scroll down and click on Other System Tray Icons. All app icons that can be displayed in the notification area are listed in this section. Enable the toggles for icons you want permanently visible in your Windows. 11 show all icons in System Tray Registry. To launch the Run dialog box, press Windows+R. Type this following on input and hit Enter. Check the box that says Always show all icons and notifications on the taskbar, then click OK. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.